Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm recording this video for demonstration of 10th exercise in our Unix lab. The exercise is to understand the concept of interprocess communication using a shared memory. So for this program, what we have to do is we have to create a shared memory, attach it to one process and write a string into that shared memory. From another process, we have to read the string. We have to check if there is any vowel in the string, we have to capitalize it, and then we have to uh, revoke the shared memory location. So first of all, we create a shared memory segment using SHM get, and if we want, we can revoke that memory segment using SHMCTL. Whenever we create a shared memory segment, we will get an identifier to that segment, and that is SHM ID. And whenever we want to write anything into the shared memory or read from it, first of all, that shared memory segment must be attached to the process that we are working with. So for attaching any shared memory with the process, we have to use the function called shmat, and we can detach the shared memory segment from the process using shmdt. So coming to our program, what we have done is first of all created an SHM key and SHM size. It's just constants that we declare here. And then using get, we give arguments as SHM key and SHM size to create the shared memory segment, and we get its identifier in SHM ID. And SHM addr is a character pointer that we use to store the address where this shared memory actually exists in our memory segment, so that we can use it to in our process. Then we ask the user to enter a string, we create a process, and we take a pointer to the shared memory address, and we take next to increase the pointer and store the string inside it. Then we create another process, we take p as integer pointer to our memory address. Then for inside that pointer, the PTR, we take our string from the shared memory address, store it in another character pointer as strr. In this strr is the string that we have read from the shared memory segment. Then we search for all the vowels a, e, i, o, u, small or capital. If there is any vowel, it will be capitalized, and the manipulated string or the modified string will be printed. Once we are done, we detach the memory segment from our process using shmdt and shmaddr, the value that we used for the value we got when we attach the memory segment to the process. The same is given as an argument in shmdt, and then we revoke the shared memory segment using shmctl, and we give one of the arguments here as the shm id. So for import, for an example, I've given this string, and the output here we get is all the vowels e, o, a, and u. There is no I here, so e, o, a, u, as many times as it has occurred, it has been capitalized. So using shared memory, we have successfully created our experiment, and whatever string that we store into the shared memory from one process, we can retrieve it from another process or processes if we want, and we can manipulate it. Thank you.